Hey everybody, it's me, Dolly, back at again with a video. And if you're new here, welcome. Hey, I'm Dolly with All the World's Ills, and you should subscribe and make sure that your bell is turned on so that you're aware every single time I upload a video. But today we have something pretty nice. I am 21 weeks pregnant, and I'm getting to that stage where I'm like, okay, I want to look good. If you look good, you feel good. I feel tired most days, so I don't really want to feel tired anymore. So, makeup, skincare, that's been my thing. So today we have a sponsored video by Shorasie Beauty. Thank you so much for collaborating with me on this. Shorasie Beauty is a new cosmetic line that is animal cruelty free. They are really, really nice people, and I think that you all should check them out. I don't usually go for like the lipsticks and things like that, but I want to go outside of my comfort zone. We have 3 items inside of this box right here that we're going to be trying out. I just saw the first time opening up, so first impressions. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. It's really pretty. So we have 2 small lip brushes and 4 big lip brushes. And these are absolutely adorable, and I love how the brand name is right on it as well. So cute. Very nice, simple, very nice. So all for your lips. On the boxes, it says exactly what is in it, so there is no guessing. Thank you. The more effort that you put into packaging, the better the overall experience for the customer will be, and I am actually thoroughly satisfied. Love the packaging. I love the color scheme. It's very, very, very beautiful. Very nice. Simple writing. Everything is legible. I love it. So we got 3 products. Let's go ahead and test these out, see what's going on. This is a lip video, so I didn't put on anything before. I don't plan on putting on any foundation or anything over it. I just want to show you straight on my lips and see exactly how it looks. First thing I'm going to start out with is this vitamin C lip tint. Upon opening this, I love this. It has a lot of weight to it, which that's what I really love about products. Very nice. Very, very nice. Go ahead and swatch this. And mind you, it's a lip tint. So let's see it on my lips. I like this. It's giving me a nice little peachy keen type of thing going on. I like this. I like this a lot. And it smells really, really good. It smells really good. And this is number 62, Renee. Then we have the Ultimate Lip Liner in the color Ravishing. This is the combo we're going to be doing. That's beautiful. That is nice and creamy. That is beautiful. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. This is definitely a cream lipstick. It goes on so beautiful and creamy. Let's go ahead and put this combo together. I just love these colors so much. I feel like they completely go with me and my vibe, who I am. It's not too loud, not too pronounced, it's not muted, it's just perfect. I absolutely love this so much, and it actually makes me so inspired to get more colors so that I can experiment with more lipstick. I'll be sure to have all of the social links as well as the website down below for Shorasie Beauty so that you all can check it out and let me know what you think. Let me know what colors you get. I'm definitely excited to try some more. I hope that you all actually enjoyed this video because I did. I enjoyed doing it, and it was really fun stepping out of my comfort zone and seeing something different, seeing myself differently. And let me know if you like this color on me. Let me know if lipstick is my thing. If you guys would like to see some more videos makeup related, definitely let me know. But like, stay. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, share, all that great stuff.